a vertically integrated company involved in mining, processing, beneficiation, sales, trading, and logistics. Currently, as a group, we mine over 35 million tons of coal globally. We're presented, on the coal side, we're presented in Russia and CIS, Indonesia and Australia. We also produce 50,000 tons of nickel equivalent per year on our smelters in Indonesia. We're also involved in exploration projects of bauxite and manganese in Indonesia. We're doing the gold production and flotation in Kyrgyzia, that's the former Soviet Union Republic. Now, with regards to the coal project that we started just 5 months ago. So as Liberation Mining, we hold this special grant 4977, which covers an area of 16,500 hectares of land. It's located 100 kilometers east of Huanghe, in an area of Guai, Hankano, and is located 57 kilometers from that rail siding. The whole area that we're developing right now and we started production on has the total resources as per JORC code of 1.1 billion tons of high quality coal. The type of coal that we're mining right now is coking coal, PCI coal, used for metallurgy, and a bit of a thermal coal. So that's the location of the project and yeah, brief information. Now what we plan to do, because we're the very practical mining company. We only started in September last year. So on the 21st of September last year is the birthday of Liberation Mining, effectively, when the first dozer and the first grader entered the bush to start cleaning the area towards the mine. So far, over the last 5 months, we have taken out 1 million cubic meters of overburden, which is basically the topsoil. And we already exposed to 1.5 million tons of high quality coal, just to be taken out by the excavators and the dump trucks. The production profile that we're looking at would be from 1.5 million tons per year this year, up to 15 million tons within the next 5-year time. Just briefly and quickly, you could probably see a very, very short video, 30 seconds video from the drone to show how much we progressed over the last 5 months. We work on the contractors basis. So basically we have the mining contractors, we have the coal preparation contractors, and the coal washing contractors. So we currently have 2 independent mining contractors who work at the mine. In total, they have over 50 units of mining equipment, including excavators, dump trucks, loaders, dozers, graders, everything. Now, the total headcount of the mine that we managed to put on the site is over 100 people. To be exact, it's 154 people over the last 5 months. Of which, important to mention, of which more than 110, I think 112 people are from local community of Guai and Hankano. The reason behind such a fast moving is that we work in 2 shifts, work non-stop 24/7. In rains, in everything, in drafts and everything. And we're apparently coordinating the work of the mining contractors. So that's the open pit. On the left-hand side, there is an open pit itself, that's open area, right? The entrance trench and the open pit trench. And that's from another angle. So in terms of the processing, we utilize the mobile crushing and mobile screen machines. The reason we stick to mobile equipment is because the mine is developing quickly. So over the last 5 months, we're exposed to 1.5 million tons of coal. That's why we're not big fans of building something permanent. That's why once this part of the pit is over, we're moving to the next one. With the mobile, on your left-hand side, you can see the mobile screen that gives you various sizes and fractions. And the right-hand side, that's a mobile crusher that takes the big boulders and crushes them into the sizing that you require. Then we have installed a washing plant, a trial washing plant, which only has a capacity of 100 tons per hour of coal feed. That's the jig plant. This is not DMS, this is not flotation. It's a simple jig plant, but it's very good working. That jig plant came from Cape Town, from one of the producers in South Africa. So we installed it in December last year. We started washing the first material in January this year. Some other developments apparently on the side you're having, people call us the mine in the bush, the Gwai. That's why some of the developments are really important to mention. So we brought the laboratory, it's also coming from South Africa. There's 3 containers of full laboratory to do the samples and the analysis, including the swelling index analysis for the coking qualities of the coal. Now we get the weighbridge for the trucks. In terms of the long-term plans, in addition to this production of 50 million tons, we plan to build our own power plant. We'll start with a small one of 5 megawatt, then we'll proceed to 100 megawatt to basically use the fines that we produce as the supply to the power plant. We also plan to install the coking batteries because our coal, it has the quality of a coking coal. So from that perspective, the technology is fairly simple. You just crush it into fines, you put it into coking battery, you get the coke. I think that's pretty much it in terms of the the operations, what we have done over the last 5 months, and wanted to thank everyone for the support.